Hi everyone, it's me Dilip Prajapati, and today we are going to study should and had better, grade 11 in compulsory English, unit 9 grammar we are going to study, and here we are going to study should and had better. Okay, so you know that let me explain a little bit about the had, better and should. You know that the had better and should are modal verbs, and modal verbs are generally used for future predictions, probability and certainty. Okay, but here had better are also called semi modal verbs, but here should and had better, are modal verbs that are used in sentence to provide suggestion. You know that had and better had are always used to give some suggestion or to provide suggestion. Here third number I am going to write here, then the should provide general suggestion, while had better provides a strong suggestion. Okay, now here should provides general suggestion while had better provides a strong suggestion, just like then the should. Okay, should always provide us general suggestion, but had better provides a strong suggestion. How we can see a strong and that general suggestion? Just like here, I'm going to write one example here. Shall I read this one? Yes. Okay. Yes. Example of this. Example. You should give up smoking. Give up or stop smoking. Okay. Yes. And then you had better stop smoking. Okay, this it means you should give up, you should stop smoking. This is the general advice. Okay, you should stop smoking. Okay, that is a general, but you had better stop smoking, otherwise it will kill you. Okay, that the cancer may catch you. Okay, and you will lose your life very soon. That the had better, it is very strong suggestion is here, but should here, this is general suggestion. Okay, and that should and had, and this is both. Then the that don't be confused here. Should and had better both are modal verbs, that both are used as modal verbs, and had better sometimes called that the had better is semi modal verbs, but at the time of giving then the should better had better, then the always used as a modal verb for probability, certainty and future predictions. But here should and had better are used to provide suggestion to us. Okay, so as a suggestion we are using should and had better, and we know that should always gives general suggestion and had better always gives a strong suggestion. Just like with the example 2, you should give up, stop smoking, you had better stop smoking. That the two differences are here. Okay, so now we are going to do, okay, from the textbook. Okay, that the exercises we are going to complete now. Yes, this one. Textbooks exercises page number 85 we are going to do. Then the put in had better and or should. Okay, you know that had better and should just we studied. Had better give strong suggestion, where should give general suggestion. It means had better. If you are not going to do something, then something will happen. There we have to use had better. But should, if you are going to do or not, there something is not going to happen, something danger not going to happen, okay. But had better, if you are not going to do, then something will happen, okay. So there we have to use had better. Now here, yes, I have written these questions of book here. You can see in your book also. I think you learn English to enroll a university course, okay. Then I think you should. That this is the general, okay, suggestion, that you should enroll your name to learn English, okay. So I think you should, okay, you should learn English to enroll a university course. Number 2, it's a great film, okay, it's a great film, you go and see it. It means if you want to see, then okay, see. If you don't want to see, then no matter, okay. It means something is not going to happen, okay. So this is general. It's a great film, you should go to see it, okay. I have to meet my friend in 10 minutes. I go now or I will be late. It means here I have to meet my friends in 10 minutes. It means within 10 minutes, 10 minutes ma malai आफ्नो साथीलाई भेट्नु पर्ने हुन्छ, नत्र म लेट हुने छु. That is something, okay. So this is a strong suggestion is giving. So here will be I had better go, okay. So here these biscuits are delicious, okay. You try one, okay. It means this is again general suggestion. These biscuits are delicious, you should try one, okay. Then after E number, okay, we get to the airport by 2 p.m. or else we may miss the flight. It means we are not going to reach by 2 p.m. then we are going to miss the flight, okay. So this is something is going to happen. So this is a strong suggestion. So we are going to write we had better get to the airport by 2 p.m. or else we may miss the flight. Other here, when people are driving, they keep their eyes on the road. This is the general. If we are going to drive, okay, and then we are going driving on the road, then we have to keep our eyes on the road. This is the general. So this should, okay, I get up early tomorrow, I have got a lot to do. This is also your general suggestion. Then I should get up early tomorrow, I have got a lot to do. I think you have got this one. Then the exercises also you can do. Now, yes, why I have completed C number exercises? Because in B number, then we have to use should and should not. Okay, so how to use should not? That the negative form. Okay, so we are going to write structures of assertive and affirmative of should. Okay, so shall I erase this one? Yes, okay. Now here, affirmative form of should. Here structures will be subject plus should, yeah, model verbs we can say. Model verbs, model verbs and model verbs plus verb 1 plus object or other words we can say. Just like here, example, you should play cricket. You should to play cricket. This is not, okay, that too. After should verb 1 we have to use. After model verbs we have to use verb 1. Okay, show this one. Okay, negative what will be here? Negative form of should. Yes, subject plus should plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Example what will be? You should not smoke cigarette. Okay, you should not smoke. Became that's the negative form. Okay, as no form also is there than the interrogative form. At first we have to write models verbs plus subject plus verb. Okay, and then after other words we have to use, and then plus question marks. That the interrogative form we can say. Okay, so now I am going to write on the board number B of this exercise. Yes, number B, textbook exercises, page number 85, number B. Complete these sentences with should or should not. Now we are going to use should or should not. Okay, then use one of these verbs. Then along with should or should not, we have to use these verbs also. One of these verbs we have to use along with should or should not. Yes, there are 5 questions in our book. Then the you have really done a wonderful job. I recommend you ... it. It means now we are going to use. It means if you have done yes really a wonderful job, then I suggest you should not, okay, leave. Okay, you should not leave it. Okay, so here it's required negative form. You should not leave. This one a number. Okay, you should not leave it. Number 2, that's a very dangerous area. Okay, tourists are there and it's very dangerous area. If it's very dangerous area, then tourists should not visit there. Okay, so here that's a very dangerous area. Remember, tourists should not visit there. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, should not, it also needs negative one according to verb. Tourists should not visit there. It means visit number B we have to use. Okay, I am going to be late. Do you think I now this will be drink? No, it can't. Roam? No, it can't. That 2 we have already completed. Okay, quit. Yes, I am getting late. I have to quit from here. Yes, I have to go. It means I should quit. Yes, do you think I should quit? It means this one C number. Okay, children sugary drinks. It's not very healthy. It means children should not. It also need negative one. Should not drink. Okay, this one D. Should not drink sugary drinks. It's not very healthy. I have lots of homework. I ... here and there today. If you have lots of homeworks from your college, and then in each subject there are lots of homework, you will roam here and there? No, definitely not. So I have lots of homework. I should not roam here and there today. It means this one E number. This chapter, then the unit 9, grammar, exercise, textbooks, exercise, page number 85, page finish. Okay, thank you.